What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about how to deploy Chat GPT app within Microsoft Intune. So let's get right into it. All right, so this is pretty simple. First thing that we need to do is log into our Microsoft 365 Admin Center. On the left-hand side, we're going to click on Show All. We're going to locate and click on Microsoft Intune. So go for it. Click on it. Go for it. Click on it. There it goes. Within here, we're going to click on Apps. And within Apps, we are going to click on All Apps. And within All Apps, we're going to click on Add. You're going to get a side menu. And on the drop down for the app type, we're going to click on that. And we're going to locate Microsoft Store App New, not the legacy, new. Click on it. And from here, let's click on Select. And for the app information, where it says search the Microsoft Store app new, that is a hyperlink. So click on it. Awesome. You're going to get a side menu and we need to search. So you got to make sure that you know what you're searching for. So for us, we're going to type in Chat GPT. You're going to hit enter and you should have only one option. Select it. Boom. Awesome. Click on select. And it should give you all this information. Now, I'm not going to change anything here. This is really up to you. I can't tell you, oh, this is the best settings for your environment. You need to review it and make sure you select the ones that will fit your environment. But the only thing that I'm going to do for my environment is I'm going to scroll a little bit down. I'm going to select an image. So click on select image. You're going to get a side menu. We're going to click on that little blue folder to search for our image. Awesome. I'm going to select my image. I'm going to click on open. Awesome. From here, it is going to say upload completed for blah, blah, blah. I'm going to click on OK. At the upper right-hand side is going to say success. Your image was uploaded successfully. Beautiful. So from here, I am going to click on next. It's going to take me here. We need to assign this new app to someone. You have required or available for enrolled devices. I'm going to settled for the required section. So I'm going to click on add group. I'm going to select my group. I'm going to click on select. From here, we're going to click on next. A nice little review. We're going to click on create. And on the upper right hand side, application is created successfully, which is great. Give it some time. It should load up here. I don't have anything as of yet because, the machines that are part of that security group need to talk to, to the tenant to grab this new app and push it down to them. And once that's done, you should see some information here. Other than that, guys, hopefully you guys enjoy and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.